Now that we know how to retrieve data from a table, how do we update existing data? So let's say, for example, El-Haj is no more called El-Haj. He has changed his name to Salil, for example. So how do we make sure we store his new name? So to update existing data in Postgres, we use the update keyword followed by the name of the table, in this case student, and we need to use the set keyword as well, and the name of the column that we want to change. For example, we want to change the name. We want to set the name to Saliu now, Saliu Diallo instead of it has Diallo. And we need to use the where clause. For example, let's say where the ID is, right? Where the ID is this, and then let's enter. We have a counter here which says 1, which means one record has been updated, right? So let's check this now. Let's bring our select statement so we can see that now instead of El-Haj we have Salih Tiallo, right? So you can change two columns at the same time. So let's say, for example, if we wanted here to change, to update, for example, the age as well, right? We're gonna say, for example, he's no more 27, he's 28 now, right? He's 28 now, and let's enter. You can see it's been updated. Let's select our student again. You can see now he's 28. So bear in mind that the where clause is optional. If you don't specify it, what's gonna happen? This is going to update all your records in the table. Okay, so let's try it. And most of the time, this is not what you want to do. Most of the time, you want to update a specific record. You do not want to update all the records, all the data in your table when using the update statement, right? So let's enter this and see what's going to happen. You can see now the counter is 4 because we have not used the word statement, which means everything in our table has been updated. And look, now we have the same thing in everything in your table, and this is not something we want. So be careful not to omit the where clause when using the update statement.